Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, friends. Today we are going to discuss about important topic that is technical support interview questions. Please see this video until end because it will give you most important 15 technical interview questions which will 100% surely asked in your interviews. And if you see this video and if you prepare these questions end to end, it's your 100% chance to get clear the interviews. Okay, so let's get started. Let's start with the first question. What is importance of technical support? So, what is importance of technical support in your company? So, actually, why technical support is important? As technical support engineer, you are faces of the company to the customer. So, technical support plays a crucial role in the company by assisting customers with product related issues. Okay, you require to assist the customers related to product related issues, troubleshooting problems, ensuring customer satisfaction as well. So, you are the faces of the company in simple words. Okay, so as a technical support engineer, because of you, the company's reputation will grow up. Okay, and due to that, it will foster the long term customer loyalty. Okay, so that's why you are most important for the company. The technical support engineers are most important for the company. Okay, how do you handle a customer who is frustrated and angry due to technical issues? So this is a common question asked in any support interviews. It is application support related or technical support related, whatever that is. So it will come in every interviews. So I have prepared a simple answer. When dealing with an angry customer, it is important to remain calm. So you require to remain calm. Okay, you don't require to lose your patience at that time. You require to have a good listening skills. You require to emphasize with their frustration and actively listen to their concerns. And as a technical support engineer, you have to apologize on behalf of your company about inconvenience, and you require to work diligently to resolve that issue and also communicate with that customer properly. Okay, so uh, actually you are faces for the company, so you are most important part from them. So if you give them good experience, their satisfaction level is good, right? So you require to deal with an angry customer like that. Explain the concept of IP addressing and subnetting. This is a question related to networking. So IP addressing is the method used to uniquely identify devices on the network. Okay, IP addressing means it is the method which is uniquely identifies the devices in the network with some numbering format. Okay, and subnetting is the process which divides the larger IP address range into smaller subnetworks to effectively allocate IP addresses and manage network traffic properly. So let's consider that in your company, the 1 lakh employees are working with the same network. So in 1 lakh, for 1 lakh machines, they are allocating the IP addresses, but they would will have to do the subnetting by considering their locations, by considering their ODCs. Okay, so that is called as subnetting. Fourth question: what steps would you take to troubleshoot a network connectivity issue? So this is most common issue again, network connectivity issue. A lot of clients are facing. Clients face on day-to-day basis. Okay. So the key problem, main problem, 90% times their physical connections are not good. So you can answer like this. I would start with checking the physical connections. Then next step, I will verify the IP configuration and subnet masks. If the machine is not working, then I would run the network diagnosis tool as a next step, like pinging the network, trace route to identify potential points of failure, etc. And if nothing is happening, then I would have to contact to internet service provider to resolve that issue effectively and fast. Okay, so these are few steps to troubleshoot a network connectivity issue. How do you handle a situation where you don't know the answer to customer technical questions? So this is also important question. Sometimes people don't know what exactly the what exactly we require to answer to the customers technical questions. Okay, so what you require to do in such cases, you require to be honest with the customer, like I really don't know this, the immediate answer for this. So I will ask my colleagues, I will check with the seniors, and I will give you probable solution as soon as possible. So you require to tell them politely to wait for some time. I'll check with my colleagues, I'll check with my managers, or I will escalate that issue to upper level. Okay, if you are not well answering the technical questions. Okay, what are some common troubleshooting steps in software related issues? Okay, so some common troubleshooting steps is checking for updates on a regular basis, that is security patches updates, any other updates are coming. Nowadays you are seeing like a lot of Windows updates are coming. Reinstalling and repairing the software, that is second. Third is clearing caches. Fourth is disabling conflicting plugins and extensions, and create a new user profile to isolate the issue. Okay, if the issue is still there, you require to create a new user profile so that network will not, your network computers will not impact with that issues. Okay, this is also most important question for technical support engineers. What is RAID, that is RAID, and how does it improve the data storage and reliability? This is a proper technical question. RAID is nothing but redundant array of independent disks. It is a data storage technology. RAID is data storage technology which combines multiple physical drive into single logical unit. Multiple physical drives into single logical unit. Okay, how it improves the data reliability? So it improves the data reliability by mirroring the data across the drives using parity information and data recovery in case of drive failures. It will create multiple mirrors in the drives. Okay, so if data failure is there, then you can utilize that mirror image and you can restore that data properly. Okay, next question. How would you assist a non-technical customer in setting up their new device? So this is related to it means a lot of people would not have knowledge about technical knowledge about setting up the device and all those things. Okay, but step by step guide is always there. So you require to provide them step by step guide which has proper visual aids as well as screenshots. Okay, so that is already ready for the company. If that is not working fine, then you require to guide them thorough steps or setup process over the phone or taking the remote assistance. Okay. Next is what is difference between HTTP and HTTPS. Okay, this is also proper technical question. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, which transmits the data over the internet in the plain text, while HTTPS stands for secure. Okay, Hypertext Transfer Protocol secure, which uses the encrypted data, which is going through SSL or TLS protocols. Okay, and the connection for HTTPS is always secure. So for sensitive data, sensitive information like login credentials, financial transactions, HTTPS, you require to use HTTPS. But nowadays, for every site, they are they are on HTTP, they are using the HTTPS protocol. Okay, most of the sites. What is purpose of a firewall in network security? So firewall is nothing but shield for your network, for your server. Firewall acts like a barrier between trusted internal network and untrusted external network. It controls the incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predefined security rules. In firewall, there are predefined security rules. Just like if you're using one company network and they have allocated you some specified IP addresses to your machines. And if any other IP address trying to come into the system or server or trying to access the server, at that time, firewall will not give the permission to enter to access that server to that other IP address system. It prevents the unauthorized access, protect against malicious attacks. Okay. We'll move towards next question. How do you handle multiple support tickets simultaneously? So here one most important word you require to remember is priority or prioritization. Prioritization is the key of handling multiple tickets. I would assess each ticket urgently and impact on the customers to determine which to address first. So, for every support ticket, you are having severity, you are having priority. So, you require to take up the highest priority, critical priority task on priority, then low, middle level, then lowest priorities. Okay, and according to that, you require to deal with the situation. What step would you take to troubleshoot a computer that won't boot? Okay. So first I would check loose cables and faulty hardware connections. Then I would try booting safe mode diagnosis tools. Okay. First you require to check hardware connections, then diagnosis tools, then system repair. You require to attend system repair restore. If necessary, you require to perform clean operating system installation. So if the issue is not being resolved, you require to perform clean operating system installation. These are last three questions for technical support engineer. How do you ensure the data privacy and confidentiality when accessing the customers remotely? Okay. So you require to access quite a few times remotely, and in this COVID environment, you are working from home. Most of the folks working from home. So you require to take the remote access, and then you require to resolve the issue. So there are some rules, regulations, security standards to access customer system securely. Okay. So the answer for this question is I would always ask for customers explicit permission before accessing their device remotely. So you require to take explicit permission from the customer, and then you require to use the secure remote assistance tools. Okay, which has been recommended by your company. Okay, and it should have to have end-to-end encryption, and you require to tell that to the customer, I'm using this secure tool and I'm using this tool has end-to-end encryption capability. Okay, and once your work is done, you require to close that session properly and inform the customer again. Okay, 14th question, describe the process of creating and restoring backup. Okay, that is to create the backup and restore backup. So to this is also a technical question, pure technical question. To create a backup, you would select data to be backed up, choose storage location. Which data you require to backup? You require to choose that. Choose storage location. Nowadays they are using the cloud services only, but there should be some external devices, external drives as well. You require to choose that. Initiate the backup process. Okay. After taking up the backup, how to restore that? You would access the backup and follow the appropriate restoration procedure which has been recommended by your company, and typically involve the selecting files to be recovered. Okay, this is the last question. How do you stay updated with the latest trends and technology in technical support field? So this is for everyone, not only for technical support engineers but also for application support or any software developers, because the world is changing nowadays, and we are getting a lot of things new day to day, right? So you can answer like this. I regularly participate in training sessions, attend workshop, webinars, read industry publications, and join online forums to exchange the knowledge with my peers. Additionally, I may pursue relevant certification like ITIL V4 to enhance my skills and stay current in the field. I'm also utilizing some websites like complexequal.com to improve my SQL skills or technical skills as well, which is also required in the support. Also, I have joined some online forums as well so that I can participate in technical support field knowledge gain and knowledge transfer as well. Okay, just like that, you can prepare your answer. I would say that you can come up with pen and paper. You can visit each and every interview question and prepare your answer. If you prepare all the questions well, I am sure, 100% sure that you will crack your technical support interview 100% with assurity. 100% assurity. Okay. If you like this, I would like to ask you one question which you can answer in the comment section. What are the qualities required by technical support engineer? So I would choose the answer from your comment section, and for the best answer, I would like to give away some Amazon coupons. Okay. So please subscribe my channel, click on bell icon. If you want more technical interview questions in PDF format or application support interview question in PDF format, please comment your mail ID in the comment section after subscribing the channel. The condition is to subscribe the channel. Okay. So thanks for listening to this video till end. Cheers.